Let's go now to business reporter Edward Boyd. Ed, about the markets today, it was lifted by BHP, but also plenty of profit results out as well.
Yeah, Ross, look, BHP, the big Australian, had a great result today, and that certainly helped lift the local stock market along with some other big ASX companies. But the ASX 200, it opened up 0.5% in early trade. It was up at 1% by 11 a.m. before falling back a little bit in the afternoon. The materials sector was the strongest performer, thanks to BHP, while energy stocks, well, they all fell about 1%. The market finished up about 0.6%. Online bookie PointsBet jumped sharply, so did BHP after beating market expectations. And packaging business Amcor jumped today. That's on higher share trading volume. Software business Altium, that also lifted, along with Nearmap, which kept rising after that $1 billion takeover offer yesterday. And the health insurer NIB was up about 1%. Employment website Seek plunged, and that's despite reporting a large increase in profit and revenue during the financial year. Buy now, pay later company Zip dropped too, and Beach Energy, which reported its profits yesterday. Taking a closer look at some other businesses, and online furniture retailer Temple & Webster, it increased its revenue almost 31% during the financial year. It now has almost 1 million customers. The retailer's shares, they took off today. That's despite its outlook statement showing sales growth in the month of July fell 21%. It didn't pay a dividend, but shares are up almost 30% today. Investment manager and annuities business Challenger, that had a tough financial year. Assets under management fell 10%, and its profit dropped almost 60% thanks to the volatile share market. Its shares also slipped today. Challenger was one of the worst performers on the market. It also announced Duncan West as its new chairman. He will take over at the AGM in October. Seven West Media's profit fell about 34% during the financial year. The company, controlled by Kerry Stokes, benefited from broadcasting the Olympic Games in the first half of the year, while subscription revenue picked up at West Australian newspapers. But today, its shares did slump a bit after it launched a share buyback and said the advertising market remains uncertain. And fibre cement maker James Hardie, it cut its full-year profit guidance today. The building group, it blamed inflation and a weakness in European housing markets. Its profit was expected to come in at $820 million US. Now it's expecting to make a profit this year of $780 million. And its shares, you can see today, they fell about 1%. And Ross, that is today's stock market update.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ed.